friends, do you know what thing that wakes people up on time for school? Can you guess it? Yes, you're right. It's an alarm clock. Today I'm gonna tell you about alarm clock. Inside a clock there's a spring, and there's also a second spring. The second spring jumps off the spring, and so it waits. When the little hand wishes these alarms to set the clock, the spring jumps out of the brick, and the gears are free to turning. That makes a little hammer beat a cup of a bell very, very quickly. And that's when alarm clock rings. Hey, I also have another question. For instance, I'm telling the alarm clock. If we remove the alarm, then what do we get? Clock. Yes, I'm gonna tell you about clock today. Since in olden days, many clocks ran with the help of pendula. The pendula controls how fast the hand of the clock turns. If you make it slower, the clock will take the pendula starts slowing slow, and the clock hand will slow down. If you make it shorter, the clock will take faster. Most clocks that are made today don't use pendula. They work with the spring electronic chips. But even so, there are ways to change the speed of these clocks too. Alarm clocks help people get up on time when they're sleeping. And clocks tell people what time it is so they can see the time and make dinner or breakfast. Or even for our prayer. For instance, alarm clocks are not only for paper wake up, but they can also be used for prayer. When the alarm clock rings, ding 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 ding, then the people know that it's time to pray for Allah. And clock tell people what time it is so they can easily do their homework, eat, and play. There's also another thing that a clock has. When you look at your home clock, do you see a metal dot in it? Yes. But the two important hands are the minute hand and the hour hand. Tick tock tick, tick tock tick, ding ding ding, ding ding ding, tick tick tick, tick tick tick, ding ding ding, tick tock tick. The alarm's gone off. Tick tick tick, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. The alarm clock has gone off. Tick tick tick, time to make the dinner. When you see the clock, it's time to make dinner. Or do you study, eat, or play? Tick tick tick, ring ring ring, ring ring ring, ding ding ding. Tick 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 tick, see the clock and it's time to make breakfast. You see a metal dot in your clock. It has hands attached to it. One red hand, but that isn't important. Only important are two hands. One big hand and one short hand. But there's one thing that I want to tell you about time. When the big hand is at to number 12 and a little one to 1, that means it's 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock. And when the big hand is number 6, and when the small hand is between 1 and 2, that means it's 1/2 past. That means it's 1 o'clock, and then after some time it's 1/2 past. This is the end of this video. If you wanna watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Fatir, Fatir. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.